All right, so what you have to do first is save this audio.
Okay, I've got it.
What
All
you
right.
do that CapCut app. So
Okay, I've got it.
App, so you can go in there to use the template. I'm not sure why this blacked out, but yeah. Okay. Then I'm going back. You're going to select whatever videos you want to use. Videos, pictures, make a combination of them. I'm just going to select the nicest ones I got in my little inboxy boxy. Period. It only lets you select, what, 4? I think it is at this time. Yeah. So it lets you select 4. So I have my amount there. It's going to do all of this. You did. So you're going to save it. It's going to come up with no sound, but that's okay. Once it get done, you want to save it and let it take you to the TikTok. Save it. Then what you want to do is actually use this, save this as a draft and everything like that. It won't be a sound still, but you want to go back to the actual audio of the sound and use that audio. I think I'm going a little fast. Use that audio, go into your uploads. Hey, that's me. Go into your uploads, and then actually use it.
Okay, I've got it. All right.